Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to stop Facebook text messages notifications. So if you're receiving the text message notification from Facebook, you can easily stop it. So I'm going to show you in my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same step. Okay, so let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see this is my Android screen, and let me open the first Facebook application. And okay, let me open Facebook application, and this is my home page. So let's start with the video. Before we start, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so for that you have to go to the setting. So just tap on three line option, scroll down and find your setting and privacy, tap on it. Again you have to go in settings, and here you will see the notification option in second option, like preference. Under the preference you will see the notification option, just tap on it, and you will see all the subcategory of notification. Okay, friend request, everything you can see, group birthdays notification. But if you want to stop all uh, SMS notification or text message notification on your phone, just scroll down and here you can see the SMS, just click on it. And I don't have phone number here, so that's why it's asking me a number. But in your case there may be interface look like this. Okay, okay, look like this. So you just need to off it. Go here in SMS. Okay, in SMS, I'm in my email, because in SMS I don't have phone number. So you will see like this, or just dis disable it like this. Whatever you want to disable. So after that, you will want to receive the text message notification of Facebook. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.